Alright guys, you are welcome back to this channel. Okay, in today's tutorial I want to share with you how I achieved the squish effect. Okay, so to do this you just have to have a video or a picture or a clip from a scene which you want this effect to be applied. Okay, so in my own case I have a video I've recorded of which I want to use. So let me upload the video. Alright, so I tap on new project. Okay, alright, so this is the video. Just see the video. So just see, it's just about 30 seconds video. Okay, so and after that she walked away. Okay, so you can use anything, it depends on where you want to apply it. Alright, so now where I want the effect to be applied, I will just need to move the timeline to that exact place. Alright, so after she stood up here, so this is where I want the effect to be applied. So I will need to tap on the video and split. Right, so tap on it and split at that place. Okay, so at that particular place I will need to take screenshots of this particular spot. Okay, all right, so I've taken the screenshot. Then I need to crop out where I need from where I don't need. Okay, so let me crop out. I need the scene, the exact scene. I just need the exact scene. All right, so I'll need to crop it out. All right, so let me save it. All right, so having gotten the particular part I want to use, or where I want the effect to be applied, because the effect can only be applied on picture. All right, so you just have to get a picture from your clip or from your scene or from the video, whatever you call it. Okay, so I've gotten the picture where I want the effect to be applied. Then I need to go to where I'm going to make it happen. All right, so you just have to go to your browser. So in my own case I'll be going to my Google Chrome. Okay, so this is my Google Chrome and I need to type in pika.art, pika.art. So that's the AI that will do the work for me. Okay, all right, so when you get there, this is how the interface look like. Okay, so you just have to register here, but if you see now I've registered, so you just have to register and sign in to this portal. All right, so and immediately you register, you'll be given at least 150 credits. Okay, so which is usually per month. So if you are registering for the basic version, so but if you like you can pay for the premium or the pro version. All right, so you can use this either for free or paid version. All right, so when I registered I was given 150 credits, which I can use for a whole month. All right, okay, if you check here you will see a lot of template that is available. Okay, all right, but that's not where I'm coming to. Okay, so just come down here, you will see the media icon here. Just tap on it. All right, so when you tap on it, it's going to take you to your gallery where you can pick the picture you have taken from the clip. All right, so I tap on it, guys, and this is the picture. Okay, so that's the picture. So I tap on done here. All right, so the picture has been selected. You can see the picture has been selected. Okay, so what you just have to do next is to tap on this pika effect. Okay, so you tap on pika effect, then look here, you see this squish it. So you tap on this squish it, it has been tapped. Okay, then you come to the front there to tap this icon. Okay, so I tap on it, then you allow it to process the image. Okay, sorry, you allow it to process the video. All right, so now you can see the video has been processed. For every video you create here, especially when you use the Pika 1.0 and 1.5, it takes at least 15 credits. Okay, so don't just be creating what you don't need. Okay, so you just have to use it judiciously, the credit that has been given to you for free. All right, or if you like you can pay for the pro version or the premium version to enjoy more benefit. Okay, so now this is the result, guys. So you can play this. So you can see, so then you tap on the download button. So here's the download button, guys. So I tap on it. So it says download again because I have created something similar before. So I tap on download again. Okay, So I think it has been downloaded on my device. Alright, so after downloading it, okay, so that means I have the video downloaded on my device. So I can now go back to my CapCut, okay. So I'm back to CapCut, guys. So then I just have to import the video as overlay, okay. Just have to import the video as overlay. So I tap on overlay, add overlay, and here's the video. So to give us a 5 seconds video, so that's it. So I tap on it and add it, okay. So I now have a 5 seconds video of the squish effect. Let me play it and for you to see. Okay, so okay, it doesn't fit, so I want it to fit the screen, okay. So I can just tap on it, the overlay. All right, then I come to basic. So I come to basic, this basic, okay. So I can tap on reset. So this reset, then I tap on confirm. So now it has fit the screen, okay. So let me play again. So that's perfect. So all right, so what you just have to do right now is that the quality of because of the free version I used, okay, so the quality of the video downloaded will not be that perfect or be the same like the original video. So let me check for you to see. Look at the video we have before. Look at this one. So if you take a closer look, you see that the quality so it's somehow low to the original video. So you can do some adjustments, okay. So you can tap on the overlay, okay, and do some adjustment. I come to adjust, okay. This is adjust, guys, okay. So first of all, I can tap on this color match. I tap on this color match. So I tap on source. I tap on source. So I want to match it with the color of the original video. So this is the original video, okay. So I just tap here, okay, and I apply. All right, so then I can decrease this to something like this. All right, then that's not all, guys. So I need to come to contrast. I can add little, just give a little touch. Then I can come to exposure, okay. So I can decrease it a bit. So I come to HSL, I tap on the color. So I add to the saturation for the yellow. So just little. Then I tap on this color too. Okay, add little as well. Okay, so then I can come to highlight. So let me compare it with the original video. So you can see, so it's somehow at least still better. So pay around these guys to have something perfect. So I can still come to the temperature and add little temperature. Okay, then I need to decrease the temperature. Okay, so okay, the sharpen as well. So let me add about 30 or 31. All right, then brightness. So let me put it like this, -3. Alright guys, so you can just work on this to make it perfect. I don't want this video to be too long, okay. So let me play it and see. Alright, so then what I just have to do again is that I want this ending part, I want to turn it to overlay. This ending part I want to turn it to overlay, okay. So I tap on overlay, okay. So I can bring it to the end here. Okay, let me bring it down here, okay. So I can shift this a bit. So what I just have to do next is to tap on this particular overlay, the video effect, the squish effect, and copy it. Copy. Okay, then the copied one, I just have to reverse it because that was what I did. Okay, so this reverse, tap on reverse. All right, so it will look like this. Okay, you can see. So I will now bring the ending part here. So I just have to cut away the front here and realign it back. Okay. So guys, you can see immediately she dropped, then she walked away. So play around this and adjust it. You have the perfect thing you want. Okay guys, so that was how I achieved this squish effect. Okay, so you can add your sound effects.
It's my baby.
So you can see. So play around this to make it perfect. Okay, and that's just how I achieve it, guys. So if you have gotten value from this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up, and I want you to subscribe if you're actually new. All right, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.